spouse? Are you living with your spouse? He's down.
I'd like to learn. Thank you. Can I get up? That's good.
In the pursuit of truth, we analyze the law. This is Justice Clash 24.
He asked the judge to lower his $800,000 bond.
Is it Joseph?
Yes.
It's this writ is misspelled. And Houston Smith. That's you.
Yes, yes, sir.
And Mr. Gerges here is your attorney, and the state's attorney is present. There is a motion or an application for writ of habeas corpus requesting a reasonable bond with the inference that the $800,000 was not reasonable. At least one man's opinion says that. Let me look at this circumstances. You know what I need to
There.
public safety report?
Look.
All right, generally, bonds are set based upon criminal history and circumstances of the offense. And then other circumstances become an issue. That is, if a bond is going to be posted, the ability to follow up with the requirements of a bond is bad enough in its very essence. But when someone professes to, let's see, that puts it into the potential harm and jeopardy of others in a new light. I don't think, and I've done, where do you live? I know where you're residing now, but do you live in Groves?
No, sir. I live in Needleland.
You previously lived in Groves.
Yes, sir.
I grew up in Groves. This is not what Groves stands for. All right. I think I see here why. Imagine who set this bond originally.
Judge Courtroom, Judge.
I see why he would have set this. According to the probable cause affidavit here, law enforcement obtained warrants to get certain accounts that you were associated with. To something called KIK Messenger, which I'm not real familiar with. But what they recovered, the police recovered, was a large amount of
This wasn't just about money, it was about public safety and something far more disturbing. As the judge reviewed the evidence, the entire tone of the courtroom shifted instantly. The allegations weren't just serious. They were deeply unsettling and hard to even process. And at that moment, it became clear this case was different from the rest.
Can you explain that?
Judge, I'm going to ask him not to answer that question.
All right. Well, anything else?
No, other than I don't even know if the bond is sufficient as it is. But
One of the most disturbing things I've read in my career. And I've seen it all, I thought. And number one, child continues to victimize children when it's out there. Right. I don't think, and I've been a part of, from the Jamesburg murders to all types of crimes. But I don't think I've ever read such a horrifying and concerning statement about someone's thoughts, a human being's thought that murdering children would be amusing. Well, that's the inference. $800,000 is, I'm not lowering it. Judge DeRuin, I find, based upon the circumstances of this case, a fair determination. But if you happen to be able to post this bond, we have to have a hearing so that conditions of release would be appropriate based upon these circumstances, which would be a long list plus a list that would include all thoughts I would have to ensure that the safety of children could be preserved if you were released. And it would include at least home confinement, no access to internet. Are you married or single?
I'm married.
Sir?
he's married, Judge. Yes.
Any children? Do you have any children? Oh, okay.
No, sir.
Do you cohabitate with your spouse? Are you living with your spouse? He's down.
Well, he went down on his first shot.
Go ahead, Kitty, and that.
Yeah.
On his face.
Emergency medical services.
Radio. Please.
No.
He passed out.
Just relax.
Radio.
I'd like to. Thank you. Can I get up? That's good. Just sit around.
Don't get up. Just sit.
Just sit on the floor. Sorry, I apologize. You sit right there.
Where's he bleeding from?
No,
He keeps head
hit
up.
his face first, Judge.
Luckily,
Luckily, he didn't do that, but he hit his face first. So.
Need some medical services. Thank you. Yeah, he's bleeding.
Yeah.
From face wound.
We're not gonna let you.
All right.
The jury. Are you ready to go?
All right, we are in recess on this matter right now. Thank you.
For more real courtroom breakdowns like this, make sure you subscribe because some cases aren't just crimes. They raise serious concerns about safety itself. And in this moment, the judge had to make a decision that could protect others. Sometimes, the system takes no chances at all.